Welcome to Conduct. In this video we will learn how to onboard employees and how to keep a track of their learning modules. To onboard an employee, you need to head over to the All Employee sub-menu from the Users option, present in the left navigation menu. To add employees one by one, click on Add Employee button. Enter all the details of the employee. It is necessary to fill all the fields. Then click on Invite Employee. An email will be sent from Conduct to the employee's email ID. To add all employees at once, click on the Add Employee button. Then click on the Bulk Upload Employee button. Download a template by clicking on the Download Template button. Fill the employee information in that template and upload the file in the second step. When you click on the Send Invite button, all employees will receive the email invite at once. If an employee forgets their password, you can send an email to reset their password. If an employee is no longer with your organization, you can deactivate their profiles. If an employee is deactivated for any other reason but you have to reactivate their profile, go to the Inactive tab and click on the Reactivate button. The Invitation Pending tab will show you the employees who have not yet accepted the invitation. By clicking Revoke Invite, you can revoke the invitation. By clicking Resend Invite, you can resend the invitation email. If you want to resend the invite email to employees in bulk, you can select all the employees at once by clicking on the option and send the invitation again. As soon as all the employees receive their invites and create the profile, they can start with their learning journey. To ensure they remain on track with this journey, you can use learning reports. With the help of the reports, you can find out the number of employees who have not started the learning modules, are under process, or have completed them. You can send reminders to users for completing the modules. And you can also download a comprehensive report for more details. You can open the CSV file using Microsoft Excel and you can view the report. Celebrate your journey towards a more inclusive workplace with Conduct. Need help or have questions? Reach out to us through our support channels listed here. We're always here to help.